Hey, welcome back for another lesson of core math. Today we'll be going over module 4, lesson 21 with yours truly, Mr. Andrews, working from home. And today happens to be May 5th, 2020, which is Cinco de Mayo. Now, many people think that Cinco de Mayo is a holiday celebrating Mexican independence. Not so. The United States is a holiday to celebrate history, the culture of Mexico, but it celebrates the anniversary of a famous battle called the Battle of Puebla between the Mexican army and the French, who tried to take over Mexico in 1862. It's it's a significant battle in Mexican history, and today it's a celebration of heritage and culture. So you're going to see a little bit of a theme throughout our video today. But let's jump into it. Our learning target this week is to understand that great mathematicians use our understanding of place value to add and subtract using a strategy that makes sense to us. So let's start off with a little bit of review. We're going to do a math challenge. I want to see, can you solve these math problems in your head? No paper, no pencil in front of you. Ready? Let's do it. All right, first one, 10 plus 2. Got it, exactly. 12. And when I think through this problem, I think clearly about the fact that I take 10 in my head, add 2 more, 11, 12. Boom. I also look at the fact that we have 0 in the ones place, add 2 more, 0 plus 2 is going to be 2. Let's take a look at another one. All right, 86 plus 10, go. All right, not bad. 86 plus 10 is 96. And here again, we're looking at the place values. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. 96. All right, let's try another one. You guys are on a roll. Keep it up. 75 minus 10. All right, you did get tricked. Nice. 65. Yeah, again, I see a 7 in the tens place. Minus 1, 10. 7 minus 1 is 6. And again, 5 minus 0 is still 5. So 65. All right, you think you got it for you a couple more? Let's go. All right, here you go. 100 plus 81. Go. Ooh, you guys are on fire today. Give me a quick fist bump. Oh, yeah, 181. And again, we see that there is nothing in the tens and ones place when we look at 100. So it's just adding 1 to the 100s place and then the 81. 181. All right. Last one. 236 plus 100. Go. Ooh, guys, kiss your brain. You guys are rocking it out. 336. Again, I look at the place values. I see 2 in the hundreds place and 1 in the hundreds place. I know 200 plus 100 is 300. Then we just see there's 36 and there's nothing in the ones or tens place in 100. So 336. All right. We got ourselves going. Our brains are working. So let's jump into today's practice problem. All right. So it's important that we can keep place value in our mind, use mental math along with our other strategies to help solve efficiently. So our problem that we're going to work through today is 39 plus 67 equals blank. All right, so you know me by now. You know probably my favorite way to represent and solve. I love using flat sticks and dots. So what do we have to do first? You got it. We got to start by making that HCO chart. Always start with clear labels. Allows us to organize and keep our work neat. And you know I like to also annotate the numbers in the equation. All right, and again, you see our numbers are 2 digits. There was only tens and ones places for our 2 numbers. But I always set up an HCO chart because we've got to be ready in case we need to regroup. All right, so let's go ahead and represent. All right, so first number we have is 39. So how many in the hundreds place? Oh, good, you're not getting tricked, right? There's nothing in the hundreds place. So go ahead and represent our 3 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 67. How many in the hundreds place? You guys are too smart today. You're quick today. There are no hundreds. So go ahead and draw our 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones? 7 ones. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Got all set. So let's go ahead and add together. Now I'm going to add my tens together. What? Right. We don't start with the tens place. We start with the ones place. You guys are on fire today. Keep it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and count up all my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ones. So what do we got to do? Yeah, we've got to regroup. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So take my blue pen. All right, so got 9. One more. Draw my arrow and add a 10 into the tens place. All right, so how many ones am I left over with? Got it. I have 6 ones left over. Okay, so let's go ahead now and look through our tens. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we added that 10, another 10, so we got 10 tens. Okay, so what do we have to do? We're regrouping again. That's why it's so important that we start regrouping the ones place. If we started in the tens place, we might have missed that there was actually could be 10 tens. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just draw that, circle all those, draw my arrow, and draw another flat to represent the 100. All right, so now how many do I have in the tens place? Yeah, 0. There's none left. They've all been moved over into the hundreds place. And how many hundreds do we have? Yeah, now we have 100. So what's our final answer? You guys are rocking it out today. 106. Nice job. All right, you guys are ready to roll. So let's recap. Our target today was to make sure that great mathematicians use our understanding of place value to add and subtract using a strategy that makes sense to us. So criteria, make sure you pick a strategy that makes sense. You can see I'm using a combination of both mental math and another strategy because sometimes that happens. Regroup when needed, always start in the ones place. You can see that if we don't start in the ones place, you might miss on an opportunity to regroup in the tens place. Always start in the ones place. And submit your work in standard form in the answer box. All right, so thanks so much, 2A. You'll see me tomorrow. Great job today, and good luck on the rest of your work.